everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day. Refinance holders, in this video I'm talking about the refinance. My friends, I really recommend for all of you this time that please buy more and more refinance token, my friends. Absolutely, if you buy refinance, so you will be the future millionaire, my friends. I believe that you will be the future millionaire if you buy a refinance, because you can see here, my friends, if we talk about the price of the refinance, so the price of the reef is very low. That's why I really recommend for everyone, because everyone can easily buy a refinance. Other hand, you can see here, my friends, the price changes occur in the reef as positive. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the refinance is positive. So that's why I really recommend for all of you that please buy refinance. Absolutely, if you buy refinance, so they will make you millionaire. That will give you good amount of profit, my friends, in the future. Other side, if you are new to my channel and if you have any questions about refinance, so feel free to ask any questions, and also subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Absolutely, I hope you all subscribe my channel, my friends. So now this time the changes of the refinance is going good. That is why I really recommend for all of you that please buy more and more refinance, because the changes of the refinance, absolutely, you can see now this time the refinance started pumping. So absolutely they will make you millionaire, and especially in the July month, especially for short-term investor, my friends, buy more and more refinance. I really recommend for all of you, my friends, especially for short-term investor, just buy a refinance in a hold for the 1 month. For the July month, just hold, my friends. And the July, the huge increase coming soon in the refinance. So never miss this chance, my friends. Hope you like this video. How do you feel today about your refinance? Please share your opinion, your prediction about your refinance in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.